Let's go to the real dealer. Let's tap in. Okay. Check and see if we live. Doing a quick little test. I'm down here at the Moxie. Zohan the CTE. The artist. Okay, so live streaming from Moxie Hotel. Let me see if the YouTube link came through. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. It's real time right here, guys. Real time. Creating a little content. I'm going to talk to y'all a little bit what I'm doing. So I'm going to pull this to me right quick. So basically, this is a project that the Real Dealer is working on. What is the Real Dealer? The Real Dealer is a real estate agent that we've created that will find deals, vet deals, and prepare deals for assignment of equity positions. I'll get a little bit into that, a little deeper into that on a private stream, but nonetheless, just to give you some insight as to what we're doing right here, I'm using a AMX tool to showcase a digital representation of a build or a development that we can take from concept to reality. So these concepts or these sample 3D models can be manufactured as well as 3D printed to spec. So we can show you a little demonstration right here. I got it on night for this project. I'm gonna switch to another one so you can see. So see how it goes back to the daytime. Okay, so I'm gonna go over to this villa. Show you what this villa looks like right here. Let me remove some of this. Let me move this around just a little bit so y'all can see what we have here. This is a villa, right? This is a 3D model in which you have to add texture, as you can see, to the different panels, the different walls. You could you can take blueprints, BMI information, data, all the way down to the binary code. Take that binary code and convert that into 3D models. I create from binary code simulators that manifest into or play into different use cases that I test for. So it's a little loud in here. I'm down here. I'm actually freestyling. Wasn't scheduled. This is a pop-up. Sometimes I might be on real time zone time, or I might just jump in the headset, jump in the world, and start showcasing what we're doing. But just to kind of show y'all what I was talking about, I'm gonna upgrade this for the programs that we run, and we teach how to use these various tools. But as you can see, all these tools cost. So what we do is we're going to be running fundraisers, taking donations, so that we could have more resources to build tools that we can give away to nonprofit entities or businesses that are in need to grow, as long as they helping empower and provide jobs for real humans. So it's part of the AI for Good campaign, powered by the AMX Foundation. Tech at Night is the training component. The AMX Marketplace is where the skills teams, the agents, and as well as the humans work in collaboration to fulfill services, products, and services for nonprofits and for-profits. So we're going to take a little journey. I'm going to scoot it in a little closer. I'm going to show you how I can teleport down a little bit. Now, as you can see, I'm inside the environment. As you can see around me. So we're going to move around throughout the location. This is just a 3D rendering, as you can see. Okay. Yeah. Down at the Moxie, live chilling. Zohan the CTE, doing a little bit of vibe coding. All right. We got some new models that came out. Not ChatGPT, but ChatGPT released GPT-5 and GPT 5.1 preview, and we have Gemini release 2.5 Pro, and then now they just released 3.0 Pro preview. And I've already tested out some prompts that I want to showcase to y'all on the podcast. So tune in tonight as I unload some new code, and I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna let it go for free, all off the creativity of Zohan the CTE, the artist. Y'all see me as I'm flow. Check me out as I'm flying up through here. Yeah, this is, man. Listen, this is the future. This is the future. Why would you waste time doing it all the manual way when I can take y'all on a little journey just with my gaze? I'm using my VR headset, Quest 3. Yeah, so yeah, I'm inside Archeo. So we're gonna be dropping game. We're gonna be dropping at what applications, we're gonna be dropping code. We're gonna be dropping we're gonna be having different workshops and hackathons live, man. So turn on your notifications. Turn on your notifications. Zohan the CTE, the artist. Let me go up and get a sky view so y'all can see what I see. See, this is a sky view right here. Okay, and that was the villa. So we're gonna pop this up and let's look at some more files. Let's go over here to Archeo Studio. All right, so y'all, as y'all can see, I'm still at the Moxie. I can scale it. I can scale it up and down. You can take your model and I can set it to the side, and then I can have my other displays right here, and then I can move this around. And as you can see, I'm checking the Wi-Fi, see how it is, but it's on the CTE, the artist, content creation at the Moxie. Okay. So yeah, so look. So as you can see, y'all want to go inside of the headquarters? Bam. We inside the headquarters. So this is a 3D model of the headquarters. Some of the shade some of the shading may be off because it is we have to change the lighting in here. As you can see, we'll go down here. Okay. Filmmaker, photographer, creative director. Mm, what's this brother name? Jay Kyron, London, UK. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. And that is it. The tour has ended. Zohan the CTE. The artist.